hope all is well. Yes, today I'm wearing glasses. I received a gift from a seller. I have no idea what the quality is like. I think it's probably regular quality, so we can get into it in this video. But first I gotta unbox it. And if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic twin items like DIY, compare bags and review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe and just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_lecture. Sorry you can see the reflection of my ring light, but I have to wear glasses for a while. I got some eye issue. That's probably why I don't wear a lot of makeup. Anyway, let's get to it. What did I receive? It arrived in this FedEx package, and it is in a regular box and in another package. Here it is. It's a Louis Vuitton bag. It didn't include the box or anything. I believe it's gonna be like a regular quality bag, which means it's probably like somewhere for 70 bucks, under 100. Let's take a look. Ooh, I got a visitor. His name is Tawi. Tawi's here to say hello. Say hi, Tawi. Say hi to everybody. All right, let's get back to this bag. Okay, so it should be epi leather. Here it is. It's the honey colored one. I've never seen it in person, but it seems a little darker. It is really pretty. It has the LV embossed here. Not embossed, but it's like a cutout. And you could take out the little pochette. It does say Louis Vuitton there. You could open it up. And it looks like the inside. It's actually really cute. And it says, has the insignia everywhere, like any other Louis Vuitton items. And this is silver hardware, obviously. Near there. And you could open her up. Let's open her up. This is removable. So if you want to remove this, yeah, it's removable. What I love about this is it's like a little cutout, so you have a nice little moment going on there. I love that, so cute. Here's the inside. Oh, here's the strap. There's one strap. I think there's two straps. Here it is. Here's the strap. We'll get to the strap in a second. Again, this is regular quality. This is not top or high, but it looks really nice. This is like a microfiber SP code here. It's not bad, actually. It's really cute. No paperwork, nothing else, just the bag. It's supposed to be Epsi leather, but I'm not sure if this is leather. They do have a leather version, but again, this is a gift, so that's probably why they didn't give me the highest quality. But for regular quality, this is pretty nice. And let's look at the straps. Here is the straps. It is really, it's leather. I think this part is leather. And the seller told me to pick which one I liked, and I chose this. It's actually really cute. Let's just take this off. There it is. There it is. It's the first strap. Strap time. Here is the other strap. Odd, I believe, yeah, these are leather. The straps are leather. I don't know if the bag is leather, but I do have an authentic Louis Vuitton bag that's epi leather as well, and so I could check if it is. So here it is. It has Louis Vuitton, and the strap feels good. Although I believe this is a bit red. Again, this seller has other quality bags. This one is regular quality, under $100. Like 75 or something. Here it is. I usually purchase like top quality or mirror quality. I typically don't go regular quality, but this one is actually pretty nice. Coloring is a little bit off, but I think it's wearable. Here's the strap. Close up. There is the insignia. It's a little reddish tone to it. And it does have the other strap on. Let's try the longer strap. It includes 2 straps and it is really pretty. Actually, I like this bag. I was like thinking, oh no, it's regular quality. Am I gonna like it? I actually like it and I'm probably gonna wear it. I don't think this bag is popular enough that people will notice, but for those of you who care, I really don't care because, I don't know, I just feel like I have nothing to prove to people. Everybody judges, right? At some point, who cares? I know I judge sometimes, but here is the bag. It's really pretty. It didn't include any packaging or paperwork, but I think it's cute for a regular quality bag. It's pretty. The hardware is nice. It is all metal, and I'm not sure if this is leather. Maybe you guys can comment and tell me if it is. But my Epi leather Louis Vuitton bag, that's like 4 years ago or something, seems different. Let me know what your thoughts are. So that's it. It's the Marelle Evil Twin regular quality bag. Isn't she cute? All right, everybody. I hope you found this video informative about regular quality bag. Kind of gives you an idea of how like regular quality bag looks like, because I always purchase top quality or mirror quality bags. This one is a lot more affordable. It has really nice metal. The straps are gorgeous. The bag is actually pretty. The coloring is probably a little off, but other than that, everything is just gorgeous. It's a bag, people. Let's get real. Anyway, everybody, have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.